singing of cheer, spreading joy far and near. A sleepy lion gives a roar, then curls up and starts to snore. The happy train rolls day and night, full of friends, what a lovely sight. So come aboard, don't wait too long, join the ride and sing along. Chug, 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 here comes the train, rolling down the track again. Pop, pop, toot, toot, hear it say, all aboard, let's ride today. Through the forest, who do we see? A friendly bear waves happily. May I join, he asks with glee. Hop on in, says the train with glee. Over the hills, across the stream, the train moves on like a happy dream. A tall giraffe with a long, long neck peeks inside to take a check.
Please like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icons for more videos.